Meaning of hit out.
Hit out.
Hit out.
Hit out.
Hit out. The term hit out can have different meanings depending on the context. In sports such as tennis or badminton, it refers to a practice session in which players hit the ball back and forth to warm up or improve their skills. In other contexts, hit out can mean a forceful verbal attack or criticism directed towards someone or something. Regardless of the meaning, the result of a hit out is typically increased physical or mental preparedness and sometimes improved performance. Overall, the meaning and impact of a hit out depend on the setting in which it occurs.